Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about GetUTCDate. So, in this video, what we're gonna do is, it gonna show the UTC date of an any date. So, uh, you know, in the you think you are making a traveling app, and somebody moving to America to UK, and it's mid of the night. So how we gonna check that it is day or night, or is it the same day or not? So this is what it does. By using the UTC time, we can see it like so. Let me show you. Think this as a date, and there will be I'm changing to 11. It would be better, both of them. And those who don't know what it does, we created the two dates with the date constructor method, and using a new operator, and log it on the console. Don't worry about that. This though, I'm removing this. Don't you worry about that. And what we're gonna do is and remove. Now what we're gonna do is get UTC date. When we pass that, it's gonna say what is the date of GMT, or you can say UTC date. So it's 19, but when you do like date 2, it's gonna say 20 because it's already 20 there. So this is what it does. It will check that is it 20 or not, because in some places there is 20, there's 19. The world is a big place. Somewhere it's the 2018, somewhere it's 2019. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.